What's up, guys? Here I am. See, we're on the different account. Yeah, I'm a noob, and yeah, this is my friend noob as well. He's a noob as well.
Hello.
And today
Selfie.
we will be coming to different people. Wait, what's this sound? Ah, I hate this sound. Okay, there's no more this sound.
Hey, what is selfie?
Okay, now let's just go. I'm gonna just get a smelly truck.
No.
Oh wait, hi. Hi.
I'm gonna tell you. Don't do what I do this cubby. Wait for me.
Let me tell him I love him. I love you.
No, he didn't work. Let's dress up.
Hello. Hello.
I love you. I love you.
I'm a noob.
I'm gonna do you.
I'm a noob. I'm a noob. I'm a noob. Yeah.
Guys, wait.
I'm a noob.
Am I not even Stop running away. Am I not
Never.
even joining you guys? Selfie. Am I not even joining you guys? But I'll try.
Adopt me. Adopt me.
Okay.
Adopt me.
Okay, I can. I can adopt you.
I am a noob. Yeah. I am a noob. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a noob. I'm a noob. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, you the building. Wait, I know you. Yes, just.
I'm a eek. No one even reacts. That's really, I don't know. No one even reacts. And by the way, yeah, let's go somewhere else. But yeah. By the way, I'm Jakub, so don't think I'm someone else with my account. And after this video, you must subscribe and smash that like button because I don't want to do this video, but okay. Oh, you have radio. Okay, I'm gonna get some of those.
Yes, because
Yeah. I'm gonna be a noob.
Can I
I'm a raider. I'm a reindeer. Yeah. Christmas. Yeah. I like being a noob. I like being a noob. I like being a noob.
I thought you don't like me.
Make it soldier.
I don't know. I can just put everything what I can. La 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 la. I'm a noob here. La 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 la.
Yeah, I'm a noob. No one even reacts, though. I'm just gonna go into my smelly truck. Okay, I'm gonna drive. Yeah, I'm a noob. Yeah, but the thing is, I don't know even how to drive.
Oh, that's sad. I need to try.
Yeah, you need to pay for that truck.
Oh, that's sad.
I paid for it in my own account.
So, that's sad.
Yeah, you noob. I'm a noob.
Hey.
I wonder how much this costs 100, but I don't have that much. I have 90.
I got 100.
Yeah, then you can buy that.
How do you buy it?
I don't know. What about this? This is 100. I'll buy this myself. I'll buy myself a pumpkin.
I get it right. How many does it cost?
I don't know, like 100. 100.
I can't buy it. I don't know why.
I know. Cause that's a noob. And I'm
Come with me.
I'm
Come with me.
a noob.
Come. with me. Come with me. I said, come with me. Come with me. I said, come with me.
Okay.
I'm friend of the Alicia.
Okay.
You're my son, okay?
Yeah.
Do I look scary? I just put everything on my head. I don't know. I'm a noob as well.
I love. Okay. So wait. I wanna be a. Okay. Finally, I have 100. I wanna buy a smelly truck.
Okay,
Oh.
let me see.
Hey, adopt me, you noob. Wait, you're not adopt. Love you. That's going to smelly truck. I love you. Okay. Kiss, kiss. Hey. No. No. I'm a noob. Yay. Yay.
You hate
Noobs are the best.
Come with me, look. Look at my new home. It's fantastic. Come to my home. My home has a swimming pool.
You don't even know what.
I'd like a really nice house.
No, I'm buying a car.
Look,
I'm buying just old smelly truck.
come.
No, I want a truck. Someone broke the truck.
Come.
Get out.
Come, you can come.
Noobs need a truck.
Come, you can go in my apartment. Come, you can go in.
No. Noobs.
Oh, you could be inside my apartment. I'd like to go in apartment. It's a really cool apartment, come on.
Yeah, but first we need to buy the car.
I don't know how. I can't buy it in here because I buy this really cool apartment with a swimming pool.
What?
Really?
Okay, let's go there then.
Okay.
Well, if you're this stupid, let's go there. Well, I'm stupid.
I'm stupid. I want everything wrong.
But I want a smelly track. I want a smelly track.
Son, I can't
No,
afford it.
I hate you. I want a smelly track.
You can go to the smelly apartment.
Oh, here is a Lamborghini. Oh, it's a huracan. Yeah, nice.
No, it costs so much. I can't buy it.
Oh my god, that's so expensive.
Yes, that's why I'm gonna buy this. I buy the apartment.
Oh my god. Look at this apartment. I can't believe that. This has a big bus.
This one.
Okay, let's go here. Okay, hello. Hello, you noob. I'm going upstairs to my... And I'm gonna be sleeping.
Yes, I know.
I know where I'm gonna sleep. I first need to have a look around. To know where
I did this one. This
Okay,
one.
I'm gonna sleep here. Okay, this is where I'm sleeping.
No.
Do not go into the bathroom. That's
No.
my room. Actually, yeah, you can't.
Yeah, you can go in.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in here.
Look, I'm gonna sleep in here.
God.
My bedroom. You can
Okay.
sleep with me. Look. This is a double bed.
Is there a dog? I wanna sleep with a dog.
You can sleep in the dog house.
Is there a dog house?
Yeah.
Yeah, where is the dog house? Why was I flying? Oh, big fleet. I'm gonna.
I'm looking for it. I don't know if
Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah, but I can't get it. I'm too big.
Who cares? Where are you? Did you find it?
Actually, you know what? I'm getting out of here. I want a smelly truck. Get me a smelly truck.
Whee!
No. And stop. I need a smelly truck.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. You just need to see me done.
I'm a noob. Yay. Yay! I'm a noob. I'm a noob. I'm a noob. Yeah, let's have a selfie. Yeah, no. Okay, we had a selfie. But now it's time to get a smelling truck.
Hey, come.
No, I'm getting a smelling truck.
Hey, just
No,
do
a
a selfie.
smelling.
Just do a selfie. Oh my God, look at that guy. I'm scared of him. Ah! Hey, guy, man.
Okay, who do you think I am? I'm a smelly noob.
No, you're a pleb.
No, I'm not. I'm a smelly noob.
Okay, you're no pleb. No.
Yeah, why are
Give
you
me
dabbing?
my daddy.
How do you dab? Okay, I can dab.
Okay, let's do
How
a
do you
selfie.
dab? Oh,
do
I think you
selfie.
press this. Okay. Okay, I know how to dab. Okay, I'm gonna dab. Okay, yeah, I'm dabbing. No, I'm not dabbing. I know, but
Do a
can't
selfie
be
with me.
stupid. Guys, at the end of this video, you must comment if you liked it and I should
You
make
must say.
more videos like this.
You must. And get this many truck.
Yeah, I know, but you know, I'm not a smelly noob. Actually, I'm gonna be using this account for noob videos, so I'll name these videos noob videos. Okay, and finally there's a smelly truck. But the thing is, how do you drive it?
You buy it.
Guys, comment down below how you use this, cause I'm a noob and I don't know much stuff. I just hit my head when I was bored. And by the way, guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you did enjoy, please smash that like button and do subscribe. Obviously, and comment down below if you want me to make more new videos. Okay, and these videos will be named noob videos. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing these in the game Roblox Your Life. Okay, thank you, goodbye, thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to say that I picked my pants.